Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I've linked this action camera below at a great price, so check that out first if you want to grab one. Today we're looking at the DJI Osmo Action 6 Enhanced Combo, an 8K waterproof action camera that's currently Amazon's choice, with over 1,000 units sold in just the past month. Let's start with the sensor. This uses an all-new 1.1-inch square sensor, which is a genuinely significant upgrade for an action camera, and it captures true 8K video with vibrant color and sharp detail. There's also a 4K custom mode, which lets you reframe your footage into different aspect ratios afterward, so one clip can work across multiple social platforms without reshooting. Low-light performance stands out too, thanks to a variable aperture ranging from f2.0 to f4.0, which automatically adapts to lighting conditions, so you're getting clean, crisp footage whether you're shooting in bright daylight or after the sun goes down. Stabilization here is genuinely advanced. You've got 360-degree HorizonSteady, which keeps your horizon level even during rolls and flips, combined with RockSteady 3.0 for smooth, natural-feeling motion. HorizonSteady works up to 4K at 60 frames per second, correcting tilts and shakes in pretty much any direction. Battery life is a major strength on this combo specifically. You're looking at up to 4 hours of shooting in normal conditions, and it's built to handle cold weather without cutting out, which matters a lot if you're filming outdoor sports or winter activities. Hands-free control is built in too, with both gesture and voice control, so you can start recording or switch modes without touching the camera, letting you stay focused on whatever you're actually doing. For audio, this camera can connect to 2 DJI microphone transmitters directly, no receiver needed, which makes it genuinely useful for interviews or dual-person content, not just solo vlogging. And for durability, it's rated to go underwater up to 20 meters without needing a separate case, so whether you're surfing, diving, or just caught in the rain, it keeps recording in full 8K. Overall, if you want a rugged, genuinely capable action camera with real 8K quality, strong stabilization, and long battery life, the DJI Osmo Action 6 Enhanced Combo is a really strong pick. I'll leave the link to this DJI Osmo Action 6 in the description below if you want to check the current price. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.